VNCE stock analysis and VNCE stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Vince holding, sitting at $3.71. This is how my chart looks like. Context, I've done 35,000 videos. I've spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything. And generally speaking, it's just like I'm quite long on this market previously. Like this is like when last time I made a video on it, like kind of this period before 2025. And then I abandoned the stock. And this is where we are right now. Now, I've already made the video on this, but surprisingly, I just did not record for whatever reason. But what this means is just interval for yesterday's day. And I'm not like, even if I get involved, and I'm only going to get involved if I see a proper shift like this. But I know the pre-market is crucial, but I'm not going to hold it over the weekend. So I'm going to try to be in and out as long as the price gives me the rules cool. If it does not, then I'm just not going to force stuff. So yes, let me know what is your opinion on VNCE. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.